Son, where are we going?
Patience, Mom, you get there. Right. Mom, this is the girl I'm seeing, and her dad.
Come here. Oh my gosh, what are you thinking?
What, Mom?
That girl? Of all other girls that I picked? Oh, you picked that girl?
What's
Are you
wrong?
kidding me?
But
That is not right, okay? I have given you money for your car, for your clothes, for everything. And this is you repay me with this kind of girl?
But Mom, it's my choice, isn't it?
No, it's not your choice. Whatever I've given you is love and stuff like that. And you think she really loves you? She wants you for your money, okay?
And what would you know about that, Mom?
I have a lot of experience, okay? You think what? Your mom is not 10 years old, okay? I don't want you seeing that girl. I'm warning you. You have only two choices. One is you forget about all these things and then you come back home and then be mommy's boy. Or second, you can leave. I'm warning you this.
Girl, money isn't everything in this world. What other people think is not important. The most important is that we maintain our values and do good to people. Like rich guys earn their money like if doing illegal jobs or like drug transport, something like this. And one more thing, why him? There's so many boys out there that's much better than him that loves you so much. And rich guys are normal to getting what they want as they ask, and the boy might dump you someday, and I hope and you will regret. And I don't want you to see.
Anyway, I don't care. Whatever. You can pick any girl in the whole wide world, but not her.
But,
And I'm leaving. Oh,
Mom,
I am leaving you. Go.
I'm so sorry. My mom had to leave because of her appointment. So sorry. So sorry.
See, this is exactly I was talking. Rich guys like them doesn't respect us. Come on, let's go. We're never ever gonna see him again.
Are you okay? Are you sure that no one followed you? You. We have to discuss something tonight. How much longer do we have to see each other like this? Sneaking out in the middle of the night just to meet. We barely get to see each other these days. And yeah, now my mom knows about us, and you know what she's like. Just don't know what she will do. And the last thing I would want right now is for you to get hurt. I know it's been hard for both of us. You've been suffering, I've been suffering, and I've been thinking about it, and I just have to ask you, do you love me?
Sweetheart, you know my feel for you. Have I ever lied to you?
Yeah. No. I know what you mean. But how do you suggest we resolve this? We have to come to a solution. Tell me, do you have any idea how are we going to resolve this? Tell me.
I don't know.
Look, I'm sorry. Just want you to know that I care so much about you. You mean the world to me. I will do anything for you. The stars in the skies are yours. You have but to ask. If I would suggest this one thing to you, would you be willing to share the burden with me? We run far away from our past. Just the two of us together. The future is ours to hold. What do you say?
No, this is ridiculous. How about my dad? Your mom?
What? We have tried to make them understand. We have tried. I have tried my best. You have tried your best. But don't you see? We don't need them. All we need is us. All I need is you. I'm willing to give up everything for you. Don't worry. You can trust me. I will not let anything happen to you. I love you.
I love you.
Is love about running away from responsibilities? But is being responsible also love?
Here, I'm home.
Hey, where is today's newspaper? This is yesterday's one.
What is why?
I was busy at work. What were you doing at home?
Can't you see what I'm doing now?
Bring me a cup of water. Can't you wait nicely? What? There's no food in this cupboard.
I'm busy, Mom, to fetch the kids and all that.
Why didn't you go and buy the food on the way back? What were you doing?
I forgot, okay?
Were you at home today? Or you went out? You see the house? Why did you sweep the floor?
Told you I'm busy. Can't you hear that? You're deaf, ah? Love the rubbish, right? Take it!
How dare you throw this at me?
Why not?
You know I'm your husband?
So
So
what?
what do you expect? I've been at work whole day long. You know why? Because I love you. I need to work to find money for you. And what were you doing at home?
Okay, let's make this very clear. I clean the dishes, I wash the car, and I do all the dobies, you know.
The car you drive, I pay for you. The house you live in, I pay for you. The food you eat, I pay. The clothes you wear, I pay. What do you do at home? Nothing. You see the floor, you see the windows.
Please, I am not a maid here. You just come back and relax, and I have to get your orders and serve you like a boss. A
You know I
boss.
come back late
So,
because I want to work to find money for you. Why? Because I love you.